Ever wish your selfie could dance like it's in a music video? Or turn into a 3D anime version of you? Well, there's an app for that. It's called Selfyz AI, and it's kinda blowing up lately. Selfyz AI is a photo and video editing app powered by artificial intelligence. Its main appeal? It takes a single selfie or full body photo and turns it into a moving animated video, complete with dance moves, expressions, or effects. There's a lot of categories, like image to video, viral dance, mini moments, community, fashion style, animal fusion, with animal, mecha transformer, hair magic, trending AI dance, and more. Just pick any feature you like. For example, if you choose image to video, it's super easy. Just click generate, then choose a picture on your gallery, then tap generate. Some features are locked, so if you want full access to all tools and remove limits, you'll need to subscribe to Selfyz AI. Just tap Pro in the upper and choose your plan, weekly or yearly. Currently, Selfyz AI has a 3.7 out of 5 rating on the Google Play Store. I love how fun and easy this app is. I just wish the videos were longer or had more length options. Still, it makes great quality content. I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. The animations and AI features are super fun and easy to use. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.